In a vibrant YouTube studio, the screen announces, "Meet your new AI tutor, Khanmigo." As a confident presenter gestures towards the dawn of educational innovation. The presenter proclaims, "Imagine having a tutor available 24/7 to help with math, science, coding, and more." That's exactly what Khanmigo offers. The screen lights up, heralding a new era of learning. What is Khanmigo? A digital guide emerges, promising real-time tutoring and personalized learning, as the presenter declares. Khanmigo is an AI assistant built into Khan Academy that helps students with real-time tutoring. On screen, vibrant animations showcase features you'll love, illuminating real-time help, step-by-step guidance, writing support, and personalized learning. The presenter's voice resonates, emphasizing the software's real-time help across math, history, science, and coding, offering patient, clear explanations. The screen proclaims, "Not just for students." As Khanmigo's teacher dashboard unveils a realm of possibilities, the presenter reveals Khanmigo's dual role, empowering teachers to craft engaging lessons and dissect student performance with analytical precision. With a confident tone, the presenter declares, "Khanmigo isn't just for students." The presenter highlights the key advantage. It also helps teachers create lessons and analyze student performance. The presenter champions the ethical use of AI, underscoring that Khanmigo is a tool to enhance, not supplant, the learning experience. With resolute clarity, the presenter warns, it's important to use it responsibly. It's here to support learning, not replace it.